Hey, thanks for stopping in. Chef Billy Parisi here with Heinen's, and I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and lemon orzo. We're going to start with 1 pound of Heinen's orzo that we're going to bring to a boil and drain, and then run some cool water over it, put it back in a bowl, and then what we're going to do is add in some olive oil and mix it in. This will ensure our pasta does not stick. Set it to the side, and then I have 4 boneless, skinless Gerber's chicken breasts that are always We Care certified. We're going to season them well on both sides with salt and fresh cracked black pepper. Next, we're going to add them to a large frying pan over medium-high heat with 2 tablespoons of olive oil. We're going to cook them for 5 to 6 minutes per side or until golden brown and completely cooked through. Once they are cooked, we're going to remove them from the pan. Then we're going to add in a small diced yellow onion and finely minced garlic cloves. We are going to cook this over medium heat for 4 to 5 minutes to get a nice little brown on them. Don't worry if the pan gets too brown because we're next going to deglaze with some good white wine, and this is going to get up all of that goodness on the pan. Once there's about 3 tablespoons of liquid left, we're going to next add in our orzo, followed up with adding in some finely grated Parmesan cheese and the juice of 1 lemon. We are going to mix this in until it is completely combined because sometimes Parmesan is a little salty. I like to season it at the end with salt and pepper just to make sure I have the right amount in there. Next, what we want to do is slice up the chicken breasts and add them right to the top of our orzo and finish with a little fresh chiffonade basil. And you can add in some lemon slices for garnish as well. And this is one delicious meal.